Welcome to Art and Craft platform. Today we will cover basic practices for beginners. Lines are of two types, horizontal line and vertical line. First of all, we will cover horizontal line. So let's start. Practice this 50 to 100 times daily. So now we'll start doing vertical lines. We'll also practice it 50 to 100 times a day. Now we'll practice slant line. So now we will practice circle. Same, we will practice it minimum 1 to 2 circles a day. It takes many days to draw it perfectly. So as much as you practice, your lines and circles will be perfect.